In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create notes on Anytype. If you're new to Anytype, don't worry. Creating a note is very simple. And once you've done it once, it becomes a fast and easy way to capture ideas, reminders, meeting points, or anything else you want to save. In this quick walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from opening the app to finishing your note. To begin, open the Anytype application on your desktop or mobile device. The layout may look slightly different depending on which device you're using, but the overall process is the same. Once the app is open, you'll be ready to create a new note. Next, look for the plus button. On desktop, you'll usually find it in the left sidebar, and on mobile, it may appear near the bottom of the screen. This button is what you'll use to create a new entry. Go ahead and click or tap it to continue. A menu will appear with different content types you can create. From those options, choose Note. This tells Anytype that you want to create a standard note page where you can write and organize your thoughts. Once the note opens, move to the title area at the top of the page. Click there and type a name for your note. Giving your note a clear title makes it easier to find later, especially if you plan to create many notes over time. A short descriptive title usually works best. After that, click into the main body area below the title. This is where you can start writing your content. You can type whatever you need here, whether it's a quick thought, a list of ideas, or more detailed information. The note area is designed to be flexible so you can keep things brief or build out something more complete. If you want to add more structure or extra elements, type a forward slash in the body of the note. This opens up additional features such as headings, checklists, or media. It's a useful shortcut when you want to format your note or make it more interactive without leaving the page. As you continue writing, Anytype saves your note automatically. That means you don't need to look for a save button or worry about losing your work. Once you're finished, you can simply close the page and your note will remain mahfudhan in the app. And that's it. You now know how to create notes on Anytype quickly and easily, so you can start capturing your thoughts anytime you need.